Namaste, Bonnie ji.
Namaste, Sarji. How are you feeling?
I'm good today, little bit cold, but now I'm feeling fever is not that much today.
Okay.
You were present on Saturday? You were there? Or you got the message?
No, I got the message.
Okay, you got the message.
Yeah.
Okay, then I hope you gone to the sleep on time.
I did a long walk today in the sand at the beach.
Okay.
So I might modify a little bit. Be patient with me.
Oh, sure. We'll be
Okay.
patient. I will be patient with you. Okay, now sit in any comfortable position.
Yep.
And gently close your eyes. Take a deep and long breath in. And deep and long breath out. Prepare yourself for today's class. Prepare your mind, your body, your breath. Now we'll chant one time Om all together. Take a deep inhale. Shri Krupyo Namaha. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde. Sandharvasitasvatma Sukha Bhavote. निःश्रेयशेचाङ्गलिकायमाने संसारहालाहल्मोहशान्ते आवाहु पुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रास्यधारिणं सहस्राशीर्षं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम् ॐ अथ योगा अनुशासनम्. Join your palms together. Rub your both palms. Apply it on your eyes, apply it on your face, on your whole body. And gently pull down your head towards God. While blinking, open your eyes. Namaste. Okay. Sit straight. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms out. Stretch yourself up towards the ceiling and move your spine left to right, right to left, slowly and gently. Exhale, drop your right elbow on the right side. Take your left arm over your head, stretch your left arm. Inhale, again come back to the center. Exhale, drop your left hand down. Take your right hand up. Inhale, again back to the center. Exhale, again drop your right elbow on the right side. Take your left arm and hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, again back to the center. Exhale to the left side. Hold. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, again come back to the center. Exhale, bend towards the right side. Keep your fingers interlocked and just feel the stretch on your oblique. Hold there for 3 counts again. 1, keep going down. 2, and 3. Inhale, again come back up. Exhale, bend down towards the left side. and hold there for 3 counts. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward down. Place your fingers down. Walk with your fingers front. And try to touch your head on the floor. Hold 1. Keep elevating your spine towards the front. Reduce that hump from your back. 2. Look front and walk with your fingers slowly, slowly. 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, drop your fingertips behind your back and lift your chest up and look back. Just press your thoracic inside, roll your shoulders out, look back and hold 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, come back to the center. Raise your again, both arms up. Exhale, drop your right shoulder, bend your right elbow and stretch your right elbow towards the left side. Keep your head straight. Hold 1, 2, and 3. Release. Change your hand, grab your left elbow and push your left elbow towards the right side and hold 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, again, come back. Exhale, drop your hands down. Now hug yourself. Exhale, hug yourself tightly. Now interlock your hands. One hand over another hand. Inhale, lift your hands up, stretch your elbows, and feel the stretch in this position, eagle pose. In this eagle pose position, just stretch your hands. Look back. Just stretch, feel the stretch in your thoracic region. 1, flex your shoulders. 2, as much as you can. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, make a hump on your back. Push your elbows on your belly. 1, push your shoulder blades away from each other. 2, and 3. Inhale, come back to center. Now change the position, change your arm. The upper arm will go down, the down arm will come up. Inhale, again stretch your arms up. Hold that for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down, make a hump on your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale to the center. Exhale, drop your hands on the mat and come for the tabletop position on your mat. Your knees under your hip, your palms under your shoulder. Now inhale, look up, roll your shoulder, open your chest, and make an arch on your back. Tuck your tailbone out. Exhale, look down, make a hump on your back, tuck your tailbone in, engage your core. Inhale, again, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. One more time. Inhale, look up and hold there for 3 counts. Keep taking your tailbone out, roll with your shoulders, open your chest, look up towards the ceiling and hold 1, 2, and 3. Exhale, make a hump on your back, push your shoulder blades away, hold there 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come back to the center. Now inhale, raise your right arm by the side. Open your right arm, lift your right arm towards the ceiling. From the side, bend Boniji, yes. Exhale, drop your, correct. Exhale, drop your right shoulder under your left hand for thread and needle. Yes, under your left hand, like this. Yeah, inhale, take your left arm up. Inhale, take your left arm up, look towards your left hand and keep twisting with your thoracic region. Maintain your balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, And 5, exhale, drop your left hand down, again back on the mat. Inhale, take your right arm by the side. Exhale, drop your right palm back on the mat. Now inhale, lift your left arm up by the side. And exhale, drop your left shoulder under your right hand. Inhale, take your right arm over your head and hold there for 5 counts. 1. Again, keep focusing on the thoracic region. 2. Lift your upper shoulder more up and bring your left shoulder towards the right side more. 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, your right hand should be back on the mat. Inhale, take your left arm up. Exhale, drop your left hand down. Yeah. Yes. Now, we'll just make a circle. Inhale, lean towards the right side, front, and exhale, come back from the left side. 1, inhale again to the right, front, exhale to the left and back. 3, inhale and exhale. 4, inhale to the right, exhale, come back from the left. 5, inhale and exhale. Now we'll go from the left and we'll come back from the right. Inhale, lean towards the left side, then go to the front, exhale, come back from the right. 1, inhale to the left, to the front, exhale, come back from the right. 3, 4, and 5. Now go stay, come back to the center. Now lift your knees off. We'll do the same thing, but our knees will be off from the floor. So knees off from the floor. Inhale again to the right. Again rotate. Exhale, come back from the left. This time your knees will not on the floor. 1, 2, 3. Now anti-clockwise. Go from the left. Inhale and exhale. Come back from the right. 1. Inhale to the left. Exhale. Come back from the right. 2. Inhale left and exhale back. 3. Drop your knees down. Now stretch your arms front and try to touch your chest on the floor, chin on the floor for the puppy pose. Keep your hips and your knees in one line and hold there. 1. Keep stretching your hands front, look front. 2, 3, 4, 5. Join your both elbows and your forearm and your palm like this in front of your chest, sorry, front of your face. And again, try to push your chest more down and just feel that stretch on your thoracic region. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press your palm and again come back for the tabletop position on your mat. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. Bend your legs one by one, shake your legs. Now slowly walk front and stand into Samasthiti on your mat. Take 1 feet distance from the mat. Ekam, inhale, raise both arms up overhead for Urdhva. The exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. 3. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine, press your hips down, lift your chest up, bring your whole back in one line. Chatwari, press your palm and exhale, take your legs back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Bend your elbows closer to your rib cages. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, roll your shoulders, sweep yourself up, stretch your spine towards the ceiling and exhale, downward facing dog. Now lengthen your spine, lift your hips up towards the ceiling, keep your back neck straight, keep your knees straight. Try to touch your heel on the mat and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 4, and 5. Now Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now inhale, all the way come up. Exhale to the Samasthiti. Second round. Prepare yourself for the second round. Ekam inhale, again come back for the Urdhva Stasana. To exhale, stretch with your hip joints and bend forward for Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, keep looking at your navel point. Your drishti should be on 11 point. 2, 3, Nabhi Chakra Drishti. 4 and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees and jump front between your both palms for the halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Inhale, all the way come up for Urdhva Stasana. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, again come back for Urdhva Stasana. Do exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, keep your spine straight. Press with your thoracic tailbone up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Nava, inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, again come for Urdhva Stasana. To exhale, bend fully forward down for Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale. Shut, exhale. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front between your both palms. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, back to the Samasthiti. Fourth round, Ekam, inhale, Urdhva Stasana. To exhale, Uttanasana. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend down. Nava, inhale, come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Fifth and last round, Ekam, inhale. Do exhale. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, Urdhmukha. Shut, exhale, Adho-mukha. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sapta, bend your both knees, jump front. Ashto, exhale, bend fully forward down. Now I inhale, all the way come up. Exhale, Samasthiti. Now I'll do Sun Salutation B. Ekam, inhale, bend your knees and arms up, come back for the chair pose. Come for the chair pose. Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold, Uttanasana. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back. Pancha inhale, Shat exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A, front leg 90, your knee and ankle in one line, back feet slightly 5 degrees in, square your hips towards the right side, and exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava inhale, Urdhva Mukha, Dasha exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. Chaturdasha, exhale. Now hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your both knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale, bend down. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. Second round, sun salutation B. Ekam, inhale, again come back for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold, Uttanasana. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, upward facing dog. Shat exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, right leg front for the warrior A. Ashto exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Nava inhale, Dasha exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, upward facing dog. Chaturdasha, exhale, downward facing dog. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale to the Samasthiti. Third round, Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose, Utkatasana. Knees back, do not cross your knees with your toes. Try to sit back. Do a exhale, bend for the forward fold. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. Chatwari, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha, inhale, upward facing dog. Shut, exhale, downward facing dog. Sapta, right leg front for the warrior A. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale. Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, left leg front for warrior A. Dwadasha, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyodasha, inhale. And Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees, jump front. Shodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samasthiti. We'll go for the 4th round. Ekam, inhale, come for the chair pose. Do exhale, bend for the forward fold. 3 inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, right leg front, warrior A, Veerbhadrasana. Ashto, exhale, jump back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava, inhale, Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front for warrior A, Veerbhadrasana. Dvadasha, exhale, go back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale, Chaturdasha, exhale. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Panchadasa, bend your knees, jump front. Sodasa, exhale. Saptadasa, inhale, come up for the chair pose. Exhale, Samastati. Fifth and last round, Ekam, inhale, again come back for the chair position. To exhale, bend for the forward fold. Trini, inhale, look front. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, bring your right leg front for warrior A. Ashto, exhale, go back to Chaturanga. Now I inhale and Dasha, exhale. Ekadasha, bring your left leg front. Dvadasha, okay. Dvadasha, exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Triyodasha, inhale. And Chaturdasha, exhale. Now relax into child pose for few counts. Bend your knees, drop your knees down, drop the hip down. Stretch your arms front and put your head down. Try to relax here, catch your breath, catch your energy. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come for the downward facing dog. We'll continue with our Ashtanga series where we have left like on Friday or wherever we were the last. We were in these like sitting posture. We have to start the sitting postures of the Ashtanga. So now bend your knees and jump into Dandasana. If you cannot jump, that's okay. Come and then sit into like this Dandasana. Yeah. Pull your toes in, Dandasana like this. Straight your legs, pull your toes in. Move your hip muscles out, properly sit on your sitting bones. Keep your back neck straight. Now grab your both big toes from the first two fingers. We'll go for the Paschimottanasana, A variation. Inhale, halfway look up. The first sitting posture. And exhale, bend your both elbows down. But keep in mind, you should not touch your head first on the like your legs. First, you will touch your belly on your thighs, and then little by little chest, and then look front. Hold there for 5 counts. 1, just keep it straight. Lengthen, lengthen. 2, chest, open your chest. Push your lower back in, chest open. If you cannot, you can bend your knees, but do like this, lengthening your spine. 3, lift your spine up. 4 and 5. Inhale, again halfway look up, straight your hands. No, keep your like toes grabbed. Keep, yeah. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, grab your feet from up now. Like from up, like this. Yeah. Inhale again, push your that, reduce that hump. Open your chest. Exhale for Paschimottanasana, second B variation. Sitting forward fold, second variation, and hold. Look front, one. Look front so you can reduce that hump. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, straight your elbows. Exhale, now grab your feet from out. Feet from out. Inhale again, halfway look up. Elevate your spine and exhale, try to bend down. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, drop your hands on the floor. Hands on the floor, beside your hip. Look here, beside your hip here, a little bit. Now inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. If you cannot lift, it's okay, press your palm and then go back to Chaturanga. Yeah, Chaturanga, Chaturanga. Yeah, inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now we'll bend our knees and again jump into Dandasana. Jump into Dandasana. Yeah. Now we'll do the next posture, Ardha Baddha Padma Paschimottanasana. So bend your right leg over your left top of the thigh, like this. Okay, keep your ankles extend, and now grab your right toe with your right hand behind your back like this.
Not gonna happen.
It's okay, it's okay. You can keep your leg like this. But you know, keep just one thing. I use your belt. Just one thing. Do not keep your leg like this out. Okay, just keep your this feet on starting of your femur bone edge here. So your ankle can also increase your ankle mobility will also increase, flexion will increase. So put the feet on your top of the thigh.
Yeah.
Now grab your left feet from your left hand from out, or you can grab your left toe with your first two fingers. Try to push your right knee down. Now inhale, halfway look up, lift your spine. And exhale, bend fully forward down towards your left feet. And hold there for 5 counts. 1. It's okay if you cannot bend down, just elevate here. Keep your spine straight here. 2, look front. 3, 4, spine straight. And 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Now from here, exhale, palms down. Inhale, lift yourself up. Exhale, again, jump back to Chaturanga. I know it's tough, just try. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Again, bend your legs and jump into Dandasana. Now we'll do same thing with just our left leg. Now bend your left leg at the knee and drop your left feet on your right top of the thigh. Try to press your left knee down by your own, left knee down, and grab your left feet with your left hand behind your back, if you can. Very nice. Very good. And with your right hand, grab your right big toe with your right fingers. Inhale, halfway look up, look front, lengthen, very nice. Exhale, bend your elbows if you can go down. If you cannot, just lengthen your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, drop your palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up, and exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Very nice. Inhale, upward facing dog, Urdhva Mukha, and exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha. Bend your knees and again jump front, sit into Dandasana. Now we'll move forward towards your next pose, Triyo Mukha Ekpad Paschimottanasana. Okay, so in that, bend your right leg at the knee and do not sit on your right leg. Keep your right foot out of your right hip. Pull your right calf muscles out. Pull your right calf muscles out and balance on the center between both hips. Keep your both knees as much as close to each other. Now grab your left feet with your both hands, or you can interlace your wrist behind the feet. Yeah, inhale, halfway look up. Look front, lengthen your spine here. Yeah, push your that hump inside. Chest out, chest out. Exhale, bend your both elbows and hold there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, halfway look up, straight your elbows. Exhale, drop your hands and inhale, lift yourself up and go back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now from here, bend your both knees, again jump front into Dandasana. Now bend your left leg at the knees, keep your left feet out of your left hip, grab your left calf muscles out and properly balance your weight on both the hips equally. Do not lean towards the right side. Now grab your right feet with your both hands or interlace your wrist behind your right feet. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, bend fully forward down. Hold there for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, halfway look up. Exhale, palms on the floor. Inhale, lift yourself up. And exhale, jump back to Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bend your both knees and jump front. Again, sit into Dandasana. Now, keep your both palms behind your back, behind your hip. And inhale, lift yourself up for Purvottanasana. Your feet should be touching on the floor and look back. 1, 2, feet should be touching on the floor. Boniji, feet down. 3, this feet should be like this. Try to touch. 4, yeah, very nice. And 5, exhale, drop a hip down. Now from here, slowly lay down on your back. We'll do some counter pose or relaxing poses. Now bend your both legs and grab your both ankles with your both hands. Yeah, now lift yourself up for the bridge pose. Inhale, hip up. Exhale, hips down. Inhale, hip up. Exhale, hip down. Inhale, hip up and hold there for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, drop your hip down. Now bend your both knees and hug your knees with your both hands. Inhale and exhale, try to touch your nose or your chin or your forehead on your knee. Now roll yourself front and back, back and front. Keep rolling properly, come up, go back, come up, go back, come until your feet touches on the floor, go back until you comes to your head. Yes, nice. Now side rolling, side to side. Do counter pose properly so you will not have pain in your spine after the class. Very nice. Now drop your feet down. Place your right leg over your left leg. Not like this, cross it like this. Yeah, now drop your both legs towards the left side and look right side. You can press with your left palm on your leg also. Inhale, come back up, open your legs and change your leg towards the right side and look left side. Inhale, again, come back, change your leg and drop your legs towards the other side. Now hold there for 5 counts. Look right side, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale back to the center. Change your legs. Drop your legs towards the right. Look left. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straight your legs. Come front. Straight your legs. Relax into Shavasana. Drop your right feet, right side, left feet, left side. Open your palms towards the ceiling. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Tuck your tailbone in. Your spine should be on the floor properly. Your chin little bit in. Don't make an arch on your back. And try to keep your body calm, your breath down. Relax your body, your mind, your breath. Just feel the practice or the energy which is created by doing Ashtanga in your body. Just feel that energy, the vibe, the warmness. Empty your mind. Try to control over your thoughts. Now turn yourself to the right side, bend your knees. Place your right hand under your head, make pillow of your right head. Place your left palm in front of your chest. And just try to relax. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Press with your left arm and sit in any comfortable position. Keep your eyes closed. Join your palms together in front of heart center. Now we'll chant the closing mantra. Swasti prajabhyam paripalayantam ध्यायेन मार्गेण महिं महिषा योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राणतोऽस्मि ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. Gently pour down your head towards God and thank God for giving us energy for today's class. Rub your both palms together. Apply it on your eyes, on your face, on your whole body. While blinking, looking at your palm, open your eyes. Om Shanti. If you have any question, any doubts, any pain, you can tell me.
No,
No? Okay.
get well.
Take care. Yes, thank you. Puniji, take care. See you tomorrow.
Okay, thank you.
Good night.
Good night.